I'm having some Raising Cane's. Yeah, this is my comfort food. I have ordered this same thing probably, this will be the third time in the last 2 weeks.
Na 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 na. Come on, guys. Everyone knows that song, The Funky Chicken. We have all danced it with Grandpa, Grandma, maybe that weird uncle at a wedding or a family function. But that's not what this is about. This is about Hungry Fat Chick and her fried fowl week, we'll say, of mukbangs containing her comfort food, fried chicken. We had a Raising Cane's chicken finger comfort food eat with me mukbang eating show, and we also had a 6-piece Kidneyjay meal deal from Jolleebee, and we're going to get into all of that. We're going to get into maybe medicating herself with alcohol to sleep, as well as we're going to get into the breathing. The breathing, whoa, concerned me. Let me just tell you, that is yeah, very concerning, coming up at the end. So if that triggers you, you know it's coming up. And before I do get started, you guys know what I'm going to ask you to do. Please dredge that like button. Let me hear the sizzle, pop, and crack of you deep frying that subscribe button. If you are new, appreciate it. Leave a comment. Love learning from you. And if you want to support my channel further, I do have memberships listed down below. There are 2 tiers. So if you want to go ahead and join there. So what we're going to start off with is her drinking. In this Jolleebee mukbang, she bookends basically it with a generous pour of rum.
That's good. Have a little breakfast cocktail. Maybe that'll help me sleep today. Ooh. I don't know if I need any more liquor.
No, you absolutely do
not. That was pretty good. I'm gonna get some more anyway. Ooh-wee. That ain't that much. It ain't that much, but it's enough.
Now, I have heard of liquid lunches, maybe have experienced some in my youthful days. Never have I heard of a liquid breakfast. She says that she ordered this 7:30 in the morning, got there around 8. So it's between 8 and 8:30 she is having her her rum drinks there so she can sleep because she has been up all night. Another way or example, a way that Candy self-medicates. Let's also take into account how long those pours were. I counted 10 seconds on one, 12 seconds on the other, and it's usually 3 seconds equals 1 shot of alcohol. So you guys do the math. That is a lot of booze. Your girl here would probably end up doing the funky chicken naked if she had that amount of rum. But obviously not what Candy needs. Her liver is probably already screaming at her if she has non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. I don't know if she does. She never says she has. I don't know. But hopefully it had the desired effects that she wanted and she got some sleep. Now, people have been noticing that she has been missing posts. Last Saturday she missed a post and she put this up. It's been really lovely. But I must scream now, a very psychedelic looking post. Hopefully she is not licking toads as well as licking her chicken fingers. But as usual, people were not happy about it. Now this, I need your input. This I do not understand. These people who hate watch her get so upset. Like they get such a hate boner when she doesn't upload. But when she does, they still hate her because she's uploading, fast food and such. So now we're going to get into the breathing part. So I warned you in the beginning, this is the worst I have heard candy. I don't know if she was out of her canned oxygen. I don't know what was going on, but just be warned.
Oh man, the wheeze, y'all, is so bad. Man. Isn't that horrible? I need to stay far away from dairy. That's easier said than done for me.
Horrible? I would maybe say horrifying. Candy, come in, lean in. Please tell me you were being absurd and trolling and blaming that breathing on an innocent bovine byproduct. Please tell me. And while you're here, please tell me you've booked an appointment with a doctor so they can listen to your chest. I don't even think they would need a stethoscope at this point, but hey, I'm not a doctor. That's why I'm begging Candy, please see a doctor. That breathing, that wheezing, a lot of people have said it in my comments, sounds like congestive heart failure. And when you get that, you can actually get water on the lungs. Our friends at the Mayo Clinic explain it like this: heart failure can cause fluid to build up in the lungs, a condition called pulmonary edema. It also can cause fluid buildup in and around the airways. This can cause shortness of breath, coughing, and wheezing, similar to symptoms of asthma. Now, listen, I don't know how long Candy can go on like this. I have experienced pulmonary edema, not because of congestive heart failure, but because I was overloaded with fluid and it was on my lungs. I had water on my lungs. I couldn't take 2 or 3 steps without gasping for air. It was so bad I could not lay down flat when I was sleeping. I would have to have pillows propped up. You have to wonder what kind of life Candy is living right now. Now, hey, maybe it is the dairy products that's causing her to be phlegmy. She didn't say that the cough was producing anything. Maybe it's asthma. Maybe, like she says, it's a side effect from her medications. Maybe it's something much more serious. The thing is, we won't know unless she sees a doctor. Thanks, guys.